Nitwacokereria mwiroreri riu tuingire ikereka-ini ritu ria keri ria gikunjo gitu kia mohoro na ngakuririkania ungikorwo ri na ndumiriri ya wendo urenda gukorwo ugitumira mundu no ndumire ndumiriri yaku kuhitukira 0721890311 thini wa Facebook ni Gikuyu television na thini wa Twitter ni TV_Gikuyu tuthi na mbere na mohoro maitu. Makiria ma family 80 gicagi-ini kia Mangu mwena wa Laikipia itigito itari na uikaro thutha wa nyumba ciao gukorwo ikimuda mwaki kuringana na riboti ni ati mwaki uyu wambiriirie nyumba-ini imwe kuria ukorirwo ugitamba nginyagia nyumba-ini iria ingi kuria uhoria wa mwaki uyu ukorirwo uri na uritu kuona ati gutiuma na mai maiganu ma kuhoria.
Vitu za watu zimechomeka, mang'ombe, chakula, nini
kama plots 7 hivi zimechomeka na watu kama 80 wamekosa makao kwa wakati huu.
Gari ya zimamoto bado tungeomba serikali iongezee magari kadhaa. Juu sasa wakati mkasa ilitokea gari ilikuwa moja na hata haikuwa na maji ya kutosha. Kwa hivyo kama magari zingekuwa, manyumba mingi hazingeungua.
Minister wa githomo Amina Mohamed ni oretie thukuru cia ngathi ya iguru itigirire ni ciandikithia arutwo aingi makiria thiini wa githomo gia science, technology, engineering odumwe na mathabu. Akiaria hindi ya kigomano thukuru-ini wa University wa Aga Khan, Amina ni ugite ati undu uyu ni uguteithiriria gukorwo kuri na mieke mingi ya mawira kuna ati ona arutwo ni megukorwo na utaramu uria wagiriire. Mwere wa muruiriri wa ihoto cia muingi niwe Caroline Mwatha ni uthamitio kuma nyumba-ini ya kuiga akũ ya City Mortuary nginyagia nyumba-ini ya kuiga akũ ya Umash kurumirira aruti wira a City Mortuary gukorwo magomeire wira kuria uthuthuria wigi gikuũ giake urathie na mbere. Mwene kliniki iria kuratuika Mwatha akorirwo akigeria kurutira daya mieri 5 niwe Betty Akinyi ni akoretwo agitumikira kioho kia mieri 6 njera-ini ya Rangata thutha wake gukuruhanio na wici wa ciana cira-ini uria wakoretwo ugomeire Mary Juma na Gilbert Dea aria makoretwo makiheana ciana iria mafatithagia Miracle Baby. Na arugamiriri anene a kambuni ya uthondeki wa njohi ya Africa Spirits Limited ni makinyetio ruhonge-ini rwa DCI niguo gukorwo makihungwo mahuri. U ni kurumirira stamps cia maiganania gukorwo ikihithukio kiganda-ini kiu kiria kiri mwena wa Thika na kiria ni kia muhuri biashara Humphrey Kariuki thutha wa munene wa borithi Joseph Boynet gukorwo akihura mungururio kiganda-ini giki. Stamps ici irekoirwo gukorwo irahuthikaga ni kambuni ino nigetha gwithema kuriha magoti ma thirikari. Governor wa county ya Migori niwe Okoth Obado ni andikire igoti akirihoya rikorwo rigicenjia mwerekera wa mbiru yake iria arekereirio nayo. Obado uria wandikire igoti kugerera wakiri ake neo Roger Sagana na Cliff Ombeta ni uritie gwitikirio gukorwo agikinyagia county-ini ya Homa Bay na ho gukorwo agicokerio passport yake. Obado egwikinyitie mbere ya jaji Jesse Lesit hindi ya kugwetwo gwa cira wake kuria mathitangitwo na ekwirwo agi eri neo Michael Oyamo udumwe na Kaspal Ubiero na mahitia magukorwo mekuruhanirie na gikuũ kia maruto umwe wa university. Cira uyu ukagwetwo tariki 20 mweri wa gatatu. Mubunge wa Kimilili niwe Didmas Otieno mari hamwe na murugamiriri wa atumia mwena wa Nanyuki Catherine Waruguru ni mugite ati mioyo yao iri hatikaine kuona ati ni makoretwo makiamukira ndumiriri cia kumaguoyohia udumwe na mikana ya kuragwo kuma kuri andu matoyo. Eri aya mugite ati ni marekwira ndumiriri ici ikoretwo igitumwo ni ateti aria mataranyita baru kiama kana kiama kia Tanga na kiria kirahurira defe munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto gukorwo agicagurwo ta mutongoria wa bururi mwaka-ini wa 2022 kuria riu mahurite riboti ceceni-ini cia uthuthuria cia DCI.
Number of us, our heads are highly on demand in this country. I cited on a press conference last week in Laikipia that my life is in danger and that a certain government officer, in the name of the Deputy Governor of Laikipia, made some utterances which can only be concluded to death threats, and the same records are with the office of the DCI. And this has continued. Last week on Friday night, my office, Laikipia office, was vandalized, and the people who came and vandalized my office were this experience that the only thing they would obtain were laptops, desktops, and flash disks which were available in the office. There were other variables which were not touched, and the end of it is that my home, my children, my husband, and people around me, we are always surrounded by people we do not understand.
Today morning, I received two emails on my email, on both my parliamentary email and that of my personal email. And the email was clear that they will chop off my head, which I'm using kutangatanga. And I want to tell those people who are threatening me that I don't fear to die. Everybody will have to die at one point.
Na riboti yo nio iratuhe kanya ga kwamba guthie imwe kwa imwe nginyagia wonjori-ini nigetha tukorwo tugitamburukirio ni mwandiki witu wa cigie wonjoria niwe Wambui wa Gakibe uria gwatinda thoko-ini citu.